Whenever we want to feel good about a product or a brand, we always look for a beautiful flower, a nurturing plant, a tasty berry, a succulent fruit, a honeybee. We always have, we always will, because Mother Nature has always taken care of us. The power of nature is behind everything we prefer in products for ourselves, our families, our health and beauty, and our well-being. Nowhere is the power of nature more important. The essence of products following the power of nature have specific expectations, not necessarily 100% natural, but a story that is genuine and connects to the natural platform. Think of fresh notes derived from herbs, fruits, and flowers. Try sweet clover honey and sparkling bergamot zest. Infuse the essence of nature into your product. Also, think about choosing color and language palettes wisely. Your colors should reflect water, earth, and sky, while the language expresses health, wellness, and nature-derived ingredients. Nature is a natural. Nature puts nurturing into products, beauty into brands, and power into marketing platforms. Nature is power.